Good people, I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to use the Avive app. Yes, you are going to learn how to use this Avive app to earn these airdrops like mine. As you can see at the top there and the BTC there. You are still early, the mining is still continuing. So the first thing is to register through the link that I've pinned at the comments. When you just pick the link, you come and paste it here. Come and paste it on the Chrome. After you paste it on the Chrome, it will bring you something like this. So you will input your email, then input. After inputting your email here, you can click on send OTP, then confirm, then register. After you have registered, you can now click to download the app, or you can either go to the Play Store, and click on Avive. Just type Avive the Play Store, it will come and you will download it. As for me, you can see I've already downloaded, so it is in my phone. And just for disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. You should always do your research. Always Dior in crypto. We say Dior, do your own research. Yes, these airdrops are good because you don't need money. These are free airdrops. As you can see, Avive is a free airdrop. I didn't place any money here. Yes. So let's continue. After you have downloaded the app, open the app. You can open the app. After you have opened the app, come and finish the KYC. You see some advertising up here. KYC 2, KYC 1. As you can see, there is some advertising on top here. Avive KYC 1. You come do KYC 1. Yes, you download the OKX app. Then you register. Come place your UID here. After that, you come do the Avive KYC phase 2. You can click on events. Avive KYC. Sorry for that. So after you have finished the KYC steps, then you can claim. You see this blue button here, down here. You just click on it, claim. And for the BTC will be down there. BTC rewards for early birds, it will be here. You will claim also. Yes. Okay. How to earn these Avive tokens? I've shown you how you can claim, daily claim, and also for BTC how you can claim. You can see I have earned a lot of BTC and Avive also. So the next step is to follow their social media through the links provided by them. You can see here there is Twitter up here where the advertisements are moving. You can see there is Twitter, there is Telegram. You can follow them so that you always be ahead and be able to do things early. Okay, how do you increase your soul power? How do you increase your mining coins? As you can see, I'm mining 0.08. Right now there is halving. That's why you see my coins have reduced. But initially I used to mine around 0.45 per mining cycle. It's 25 rounds per day. So 25 times 0.25, that's a good sum of Avive. But now I'm mining 0.08 because my team also is low. I don't have a big team currently, but you can see my soul power is huge, almost 1 million. Yeah, I'm almost hitting 1 million. So to gain this power, you see you can come, click on invite here, copy your link, invite your friends and tell them how to mine. You can see here my friends are mining, they are mining, and each of them who is mining, I'm gaining 2,000, I'm gaining 200,000 soul power, 200,000 soul power. So I will get 20% of that, yes, for the level 1 referrals. Then also another thing you can do to increase is using this magic box or gift box. You can see this gift box. You can send this to your first, those who you have registered, you can send them this recipient soul. You will get 2,000 soul power, and them they will get 50,000 soul power because they are using it for the first time. Also, you, if you are using it for the first time, you will also get 50,000. But if you are continuing, it's just once. If you are continuing, you will always get 2,000 for every person that uses your gift card. Okay. Yes. Always do your own research. Always do research. Crypto doesn't need lazy people. Crypto, the earlier you are, the better. That is actually what is there. So I'm looking forward to you. You can click the link in my comments. I've pinned it down there. And if you are on YouTube, you can click it on the description. I've placed it there so that you can start mining as early as possible. Yes, don't waste any time. These are the airdrops. These are free. They don't cost you anything here. Just to wake up every day, press the button and mine the coins. As you can see, maybe I show you my OKX. Maybe I show you my OKX. As you can see, I want to show you how many Avive I received after the airdrops. That was 15% because I got a score of 83% out of the possible 100. You can see Avive is trading at 0.05, so you're still early and you can still make money. Yes, I'm trying to look for I want to see where yes, I'm trying to see this. As you can see here, I received Avive airdrop and reward 202. That was on date 12/23, and also there is another one I received. Also, you can see I received another one on 12th, on 19th, 12th December. Sorry, on 19th December 2023. As you can see. So guys, you're still early. You can invite as many as possible and also earn a lot of Avive tokens before they close on airdrops. So make sure to join through the link in my description and also in my pinned comments. Thank you guys. You are always welcome.